Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a plain white box. But this was a free gift for my subscription to the general box from Crate Club. And it came in at the exact same time as my general box, and the box dimensions are the same, but as you can tell, this is just a plain white box. So we're going to open this up and see what the free gift from Crate Club was. Let's check it out. So it's really nice when a subscription service, runs a promotion or, whatever, and maybe you get a free gift for the subscription. And with a company like Crate Club that, they do have a tier that is so expensive, it's nice to be able to give people that subscribe to that, a little something extra. And I guess since I subscribed to that general box, and because it does carry such a hefty price tag, they said I was going to get a free gift. And like I said, this came in a plain white box, and first thing we got here is some U-line air cushion. No, that's just a joke, but I do have two of them. Okay, so free gift, we have some locking carabiners. And these, let's see, they actually have a picture of a guy climbing. So I'm assuming these are rated for somebody to climb. And I would hope so, because they say they are good for 5,500 pounds. And these have a locking gate, which, for all my climbers out there, and I am a climber, you automatically know what these kind of D-rings are. And yeah, these are awesome. Those are good. So yeah, I like that, although I am getting kind of old and I really don't climb anymore, but I did, really enjoy it when I did it. We got a Gerber short stack AR tool. Ooh, wait a minute now. Oh man, I've seen one of these, but I don't want, well, I own one now, and let's see. Is there something I can take off just to show you real quick with this thing? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, here you go. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There. Basically, this is a multi-tool for an AR-15. That's literally all this is. It has all of your common tool sizes that you would need when you're breaking your AR apart, and yeah, everything in the back of it there. Yeah, so this is something really good just to throw in your range bag, and or on your table wherever you clean your guns and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, these things are, I've seen these before. Like I said, I don't own one. I own one now, and yeah, so this is really nice. This is really nice to have. Oh wait, we do. Wait, we have a card, and this says that this is a general. So apparently what Crate Club did was they just sent me, I would assume this is a prior general box, as a free gift for subscribing. Not gonna argue. Let's see, we got a Revolt knife. What is this? What's the name of it? Okay. If you have not watched the general Crate Club unboxing, that's literally the video before this one, go back and watch it, because I got a knife from Gerber that was almost identical to this knife. Even has a skeletonized rubber handle. Now, one thing I do like about this knife over the Gerber is it does have a little section there that has some serrations. And I do kind of dig on that. I don't know if it's focusing or not. And then it has some real pronounced chimping right there where your thumb would rest. Has a nice kind of a choil right here in it, which, man, I hate to say it because I really do like my Gerber knives. This one feels better in hand. Yeah, I like this one. But crazy enough, okay, I like the sheath, I like the holster, let's just say holster, of the Gerber knife better than this one for the retention of the knife, because this one's real easy to pull out. It doesn't have a good audible, retention there, but it's exactly the same. It has the belt for your belt to go through right here, and you can take those off. If you don't want to mount it like this, you can turn it and mount it up like this. So this is just well, I'm not going to say it's a copy, because all these knife manufacturers, they kind of design the same knives, so yeah. Let's see, what is this? We got some buckle loop around RMP straps, and this says seat bottom, so this is a headrest, okay, and that would be for this. This is another organizer, like a MOLLE type organizer for the back seat, the back of your seat for your vehicle. These are cool. One of the prior boxes that I opened, I did get 2 of these, and I already have them, so I don't really need them. And they were actually from the same company, Grayman Tactical. So yeah, I do have an excess of these things now. But one thing that I didn't have was this from Grayman Tactical. And this is a rifle back clamp kit. So as you can see there, it's got a clamp. Let's see if I can get it where the light's not reflecting, if you want to pause that and check it out. Yeah, this is a clamp system that attaches to the base plate there, or to the rigid MOLLE panel, and it makes it where you can mount your AR to it. Cool. And they give you the necessary straps to attach that to your seat. And I guess the knife came out of this box, so there was some packing material for that. Now let's see, we have a modern Spartan Systems, the best firearm chemistry on the planet. This is a starter kit. And what does it have? It has Spartan Accuracy Oil. It has Carbon Destroyer, Copper Lead Destroyer, and Crystal Clear. So this takes you from super dirty to super clean and old in this kit. Yeah. And of course they do a whole lot of bragging on here that some of this stuff is environmentally friendly, aerospace certified. Maybe it's from the Space Force. I don't know, whatever. Alright, cool. Don't know nothing about modern Spartan systems. I tend to use just some typical off-the-shelf stuff you can find, at every gun store. Just regular old cleaner. But hey, maybe that'll make your gun, a little more accurate. That's a joke. GTFO wrist strap. This tool facilitates emergency vehicle egress. Okay. So I'm assuming that this is one of those things that you kind of do like this, and then pull it back, and you bam up against the glass, and it shatters the glass. Is that what this is saying? To deploy, remove the strap. Okay, you wear it on your wrist in normal day-to-day operation. You loop the GTFO wrist strap around your thumb and forefinger. You place the micro striker bead against the glass window. You pull back, release, and it breaks the glass. And here's some comedy for you guys. If you can see down there on the very bottom, when this thing focuses, it says this is provided by BattleBox. So some BattleBox stuff found its way into Crate Club. Conspiracy theory. Nah, who cares? Okay, we got something with a really cool embroidered talon on. So hopefully it's going to be something cool. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, looks like a talon. Does this come out? Okay, this is definitely a guard. What is this? Oh wait, is this a saw? Oh, well, yeah, here's the blades. So here's the Raptor Razor. We got a 5-inch Mano and a Mano saw blade. So we got a standard blade. And then we got this little differently shaped blade, which I don't even know if you can see it. That's what it looks like there. Just a little. And what you do, the theory behind this is you unscrew this like so. Oh, it's even got a little. Oh, you can even use this as a screwdriver too. It even has the little Phillips head bit for you to loosen those 2 screws. This is 2 pieces right here. You take them apart. You take the blade. You put the blade. You fit it in here. You screw it back in. You take this in. You put it like that. Then you take this other end and you screw it down. And of course, the blade's going out. And you got a little cover for the blade. So this is a handy. This is a handy little small kit. And I'm gonna tell you, some of these kits, their blades are really good. And you can, with not that much effort using this, you can get a lot of wood processing done. So yeah, I approve. These are really cool. These are really good. Oh, they got some little small blades. You can see the indentation there in the wrapper. So this is a really small blade. Oh wow, you got a couple of them. Okay, so there's 3 of these blades in the instruction book. So they gave us these 3 little blades that were actually in this bag, and then they gave us these 2 blades. So that's really cool. So let's see. Wait a minute. And then we got a card here for the Spartan Kit. Okay, so let's see. In the book, for a general crate that you would have received, let's see if all the stuff is in this free gift. We got the Carabiners. We got the GTFO wrist breaker, window breaker. We got the AR-15 multi-tool. We got the Spartan Systems firearm lubrication kit. We got the Raptor knife, or the saw. And we got the Revolt Revenant. That's the knife. And we got the Gray Man Tactical seat back. And there's actually what the knife, the little saw thing looks like with a blade on it. So if you're curious, if you've never, seen that before or whatever. And I'm gonna tell you here, this is a really cool picture of that Gray Man Tactical seat back. Check that out. It's got a fire extinguisher mounted to it and all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Guys, stuff like this, you can look at it and be like, yeah, that's all right, I guess. But when you see what you can do with this, in your vehicle, it really has a ton of uses. And man, I mean, come on, man, it makes your ride look all tactical and ready for some zombie action. I mean, this dude's even he's got the mount for the, or no, he doesn't. He's got 2 magazines and a sidearm. And he's got a first aid kit, he's got fire extinguisher, and I guarantee you could slide that stuff over a little bit and you can still put the AR on there. And actually there's, I don't know if you guys pay attention or not, but there's a picture, if you want to pause that, of right here with the AR actually strapped on it. And you still have, now here's the thing, check that out. That's the AR, and look at all the real estate you still have that you can put pouches, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, the free gift for the general subscription they gave me basically a whole nother kit, you know, a whole nother general box. Not going to argue with that. I don't know if this was a promotion or if this is just, you know, their way of giving something a little extra to those new people that come into their subscription program at this high level. And, you know, it kind of extends some goodwill to the current subscriber and also allows them to kind of get rid of maybe a bunch of, you know, unused inventory that's kind of laying around. So yeah, I will say this was cool for it to be a free gift. Tell me what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you've made it this far in the video, as I always say, man, please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, share this video to anybody that you know that would like to see this kind of content. And yeah, have a good day. Peace out, and we'll see you in the next video.